I'm going to install this lantern light on my front porch. Switching that out too. First of all, what I like to do is put a little piece of tape on my switch. Or you can just go and turn off the breaker. So what I do is I measure the chain length. Well, I measure the whole light, and then I measure the distance of my front porch, which is a little over 9 feet, and I want about 7 feet. So I'm gonna have the total height with the chain, I know it'd be about 2 feet. So I measure, and then I take off maybe 2 chain links, because you got the connection one, the one that screws in together, and then plus you got about a half an inch or 3/4 of an inch right here. So I should be collectively with all that right at about 2 feet. I also like to cut the wire a little longer, just in case if I need to adjust it, I have enough wire, and the rest I could just tuck in there. So first you want to put the little nut over the chain, then the sealing flange thing, kind of like that. Then you want to feed the wire through here, just like that. So what I'm going to do is assemble it all on ground, which it makes it a little harder to hold it up there by yourself, but you could always get help. Something like that. And then this is going to screw into the ceiling. And don't forget to wrap the ground wire around this little screw, but then don't cut it off. Leave the access to connect to the ground wire that's coming from the wiring. So I like to connect them and twist them till they start sort of twisting, and that kind of gives it a little more strength too. So the hot wire to one of the wires, and so white one to the other one. Usually I do the one with the lettering on it to the white. I don't think it makes any difference which one. And then just tuck all that stuff in there. You can see I got extra wiring, but it'll just hide in there. put the flange up, and should have enough thread for the nut. If not, you could always twist this a little bit to adjust it. And that's it. Last but not least, install these little sleeves for the light bulbs. It's a max 60 watt, which I'm going to be using LEDs, which is nowhere near that. And then just put the light bulbs in there. These are the tools I used: drill, the Phillips bit, tape measure, some tape for safety, and pliers, electrical pliers. And that's pretty it. I think it looks much better than that one. I also like that it's not clear, because it gets really dirty. You gotta clean it, but it looks much better.